Jimmy, please say something.
James?
What? Who are you? Mom, I thought you told me never to talk to strangers.
Like I said before, Jimmy, please be nice to your new stepfather.
Okay, rich guy. I love it that you're twice as old as my grandfather and you're fat and bald.
That's enough! I've had it with you, you little brat!
You've upset your mother. I've got half a mind to beat you.
Half a mind is right. Suddenly he realizes.
I can't believe you, you little monster. We'll deal with you when we get back from our honeymoon. Next year.
Here we are, boy. Bullworth Academy. Have fun, Jimmy. I'll think of you from our cruise ship.
Whatever.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sekarang kita nyoba main game bully. Teman gue nih pada request. Temen yang mana ya? Temen yang satu ya. Ini adalah preman-preman bangke bisa. Oh iya, kita sebelum nonton seperti biasa buat subscribe, bray. Woi, open segitiga. Nah, gue dulu main game ini nggak sampai tamat dan nggak jauh, kalau nggak salah sampai setengah itu lah, sampai misi sepeda gitu. Langsung aja kita ke Capsec ya.
Hello there, ma'am. So here I am at probably the worst school in the country.
Sebenarnya kan kalian ini pasti udah pada main kan ginian. Bully. Siapa sih yang gak kenal bully kan berarti dari PS2 tenar banget bray. Tapi kayak video-video kayak gini paling asik nih, karena kita tahu yang ceritain. Capture, making new friend and ngambil apa, nemuin teman baru sama musuh. Gimana sih anjir. Sorry nih, nge-lag ngapa tuh? Tadi kemarin enggak. Kemarin. Coba kita cari temen ya. Mana ya? Jangan milok-milok di sini, Bang. Mau aja teman saya. Gendut, songong, tonjok, kabur. Kabur guys, maaf, oke. Kabur. Jahil lah, namanya bully. Kalau bahasa Poncol tuh cengin, diceng-cengin. Gue cengin nangis kan lu gitu, diledek-ledekin, bully guys. Udah pokoknya kita bantai aja preman-preman bangke ini. Oke, kita ikutin aja perintahnya. Mampus, guys. Lempar. Haha. Sini bangun. No fight the bully. Oke. Pakai cara gue sendiri. Habisin. Ya, piting terus. Iya guys, diludahin lu. Udah lama mat bre, gue lupa nih. Oh ini abang-abangannya nih. Wah, saya ditonjok. Jadi inget Jackie Chan mulu deh.
Why are you not in your uniform, young man? Go change immediately!
Bocah muda. Namanya bocah yang muda.
Oh,
Laki
come
muda.
on.
Come on, man. Santai bos, happy aja, Pak. Oke, mungkin ini kayaknya teman barunya.
Yeah, what's it to you? Friendly, aren't you? Give me a break, loser. Hey, relax.
Anjir,
friend.
katain
You're all
loser.
pent up. Go easy if they put you on medication. They did to me. Boy, nearly sent me insane.
That's fascinating. Now if you'll
I
excuse me.
said, relax, friend.
Get off, man.
Listen to
Yang
me,
bocah
tough
baru emang
guy.
sombong.
You just arrived.
Udah skip aja lah, banyak bacot deh. Kita suruh ngapain?
We don't have a bar in the
Wih, premannya masih ngejar. Oh ini dia. Butin bertimbutan notis alur seperti apa ya? Cek berita. Joining student principal office the located of the second floor of the school, man. Jadi kita harus ngikutin apa?
I always wondered what it'd be like to be big and tough and really stupid. Hey, hey.
Hey, hey,
Hey, what's up?
what's up, bro? Instagram, Facebook,
What's going on?
what's going on around here?
Hey,
Anjir, sombong banget bocah.
hi there.
No escape from the trick.
You're an idiot, you know that?
Kayaknya ini kamar kita ya. Wow, iya bener. Kita ganti baju guys. Outfit berapa harga outfit lu mulai dari atas boleh tanya. Mundut. Pajamas. Nggak bisa keganti bang. Oh bisa. Ya galau anjay.
Hey, how you doing? You must be the new kid. I'm Pete. Pete Kowalski.
Oh, new kid.
Jimmy
Oke, bocah baru.
Hawkins. Don't ask how I'm doing. I've been here 5 minutes and already people want me dead. Even my parents didn't hate me this quickly. Well, welcome to Bullworth. It's a
Dia
dump.
pengen berteman sama
I've
lu,
been
Jimmy.
expelled from anywhere halfway decent.
Yeah, I've been expelled from anywhere halfway decent because I'm really bad. Give up the tough guy act, pal.
Hey man, what's your problem?
Well, ADD primarily, but also life. My
Ada
parents,
masalah,
the
eh.
school, Western civilization.
Kok beda
but
warna
really,
ya?
Honestly, enough about me.
Jangan-jangan apa
I see
beda
you
kelas
at the
gitu, atau
Dolls
beda
mascot.
tingkatan.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Femboy, the girliest boy in school.
Dia anu juga tuh dibully
Haven't
juga.
you got some imaginary friends to go annoy?
Why don't you leave me alone, Gary?
Look at you. Leave me alone, Gary. I'm really
Banyak bacot tuh, oke kita skip. Apa tuh bintang-bintang tuh? Oh keluar, oke siap. Hai guys. Kita ke bintang-bintang guys. Oh di sini. Oh di bintang itu kepala sekolah. Maybe.
Hey, Jimmy. Let me show you around.
Ikuti Gary, oke.
That's Russell's locker. You know, the big ape who almost put you in
Kayaknya
the
dia
hospital.
anu pentolannya. What's wrong bro?
Stupid! Pulverizing good!
Can't we just get along?
You! Cash! Now!
Ada apa sih? Kok bayar?
I didn't mean to piss you off.
Kok ngasih duit? Oh dipalak mungkin.
Stupid! Say Russell rules!
Oh anjay, dipitakin.
This just enough not to smash you!
Kenapa ngasih duit?
Come on, let's break into it and steal something. That'll teach him.
Oh buat nyewa. Buat nyewa gitu maksudnya.
Well done.
Oh dan oke. Terus apa bang? The perfect or the red was on the radar.
Now I'm going to have to punish you!
Kabur. Why man? Ini Emang nggak boleh deketin. Oh, oke, kita disuruh ngumpet. Ngerti gue. Sampai tanda seru yang di sebelah kanan itu, di bulatan kanan tuh habis. Nice. Mana sih bang? Jawab bang.
Oh man, there's that weird chick Eunice. Let's have some fun with her.
Lagi jalannya begitu ya, banyak yang nggak suka lah. Oh, buat dia senang, oke.
He took my chocolate! Please get it back!
Radar X.
Watch it.
Kita ngapain? What? Kayaknya dia ngikutin deh. Oh teman, si Jerry. Ada Radar X ya guys.
There he is. Show him.
How are you? Sure, I'll give you the
Oke.
chocolate if you
Jadi dia ngambil
pay.
coklat buat si cewek tadi ya. Dikantongin kuenya.
Anyway.
Such a loser.
Bangke. Ayo Gary, come on.
Don't push me.
Itu Gary yang Gary-nya SpongeBob. Idi.
Thanks! Wanna make out?
Idi. Goblok.
Sheesh!
Shit. Ya jelas lah Jimmy gak mau lah.
Jimmy. I mean it.
Jinja ya.
Actually,
Look
kissed
who
her.
it is!
Kemana nih bang?
Main squeeze!
Careful, idiot.
Please jangan ikut-ikut.
I so attractive?
Feeding time at the zoo. Okay, here's the deal. Over there, we got the nerds. Of course, they're complete social outcasts.
They look pretty harmless.
They're actually sneaky bastards. Their turf is the library.
You're here to learn, not to goof off. Get to class.
Get the class. Pas seru belajar.
Prefect, unless you're spoken to.
Oke. Kita masuk kelas mungkin ya. 11.30. Sekarang jam berapa? Hah? Jam 9. Masuknya jam 11.30. Atau selesainya ya? Di mana kelas saya? Oh, di sini, siap. Chemistry. Wow.
What are you doing in here?
Wow, langsung belajar kimia anjay.
Class. Take care to follow my instructions precisely, as we will be working with volatile chemicals.
Oke, ini misi pertama, siap.
Good work. You have a future in chemistry. Fascinating, isn't it?
Santai, ini masih sangat easy.
Factory work.
Easy banget.
I'll see you next.
Chemistry 1.
I kick it.
Fire. Use the same check in your room to make fire checks.
My work here is done.
Apa nih? Oh, main, ngerti gua. Siap.
Why do I get so nervous around
Oke, siap. Ya. Gue yang kena. Nah. Kita sekarang start the setup. Setup apa nih? Ngapain? Oh, ngejar. Oke, siap.
How'd you like little slingshot, tough guy?
Oh, gue paling jago nih kalau ngejar-ngejar kayak gini.
Look at
Tapi kok lelet banget nih larinya bangke.
I'll get him out of here.
Anjay. Wah, bangke nih orang. Jadi lu suruhan dia, ha? Nah,
What you gonna do?
kita harus guys.
He wants to be
Oh, main santai. Oh, jadi dia yang preman-preman itu.
You're ridiculous. Look at you.
You're dead.
Wah, Dek, dia di sini aja. Ini banyak banget. Santai, santai, santai. Gua kabur.
Not making you the
There. Wise choice.
Nah, temennya banyak-banyak banget. Temen-temennya banyak-banyak banget. Loh, kok bisa? Oh, nggak bisa ditubruk. Main santai. Oh, kita bantai dulu lah. Sini lah. Tuh.
Isn't that
Patahin. Pintir terus. Langsung dibawa ke tukang urut si Mande.
ain't gonna forget. I'll never forget.
Pick up apa sih? Oh, ini dia tasan. Ah, bangke. Iyalah gitu doang. Ya nggak ada senjata lagi gua. Oh, ini dia. Siap. Ternyata dilepas. Nggak ngerti gue soalnya. Bangke Davis. Your best. Boleh respect. Alright, kita dapet ketapel. Selepetan. Oke guys, segitu aja video episode kali ini buat bully ya. Nanti kita lanjutin lagi. Baru satu misi, bray. Santai. Ada Sunken. Thank you buat yang udah nonton dari awal sampai habis. Jangan lupa subscribe dan klik loncengnya agar kalian tahu video-video terupdate dari gua. See you next video and bye-bye. Thank you, man.